Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the flags for the letter K and the L. So now these two have a lot of flags. And they're honestly like not that big and not that hard. But yep, you can go ahead and watch the whole video. But now let's start with the flags for K. Okay guys, so that was it for the letter K. Now let's start with the letter L. So let's continue. For watching this video, and that's it for today's video. So all of the algorithms are in the description below, so you can check them out if you want to get them reversed. And also all of the timelines and the flags are in the description below, or their names at least, so you can check them out. But that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.